I hope you'll remember this. I am here because I love my country and I love the Filipino people. Sinabi ko sa inyo noon, huwag na magka-diferensya tayo. Kunting bagay, okay lang sa akin. Either I apologize or kayo. Pero sabi ko, wag lang ang bayan. Kasi pag bayan na, wala na tayong pinag-usapan. It's a country. Now, if I do not make it to the finish line at the end of my term, malawak pa yan eh. It's yung swerte ng tao, it's ordained by destiny. And if my destiny says that hanggang dyan lang ako, ba't hingiin ko lang sa inyo ito? Trilyon yan. Kaya ang hingiin ko sa military pati police, you are one of the pressure group ni democracy. The other one are the Congress. Pero huwag kayong pumayag na hindi ma-recover ng bayan